Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i on your Android device. You have to start by open Settings. Then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And I have stock Android, so right here, near to the name, I have this pencil icon. On some devices, this icon located at the right top, and some devices have a line with the name. So I'm going to click this icon. You may need to click at the line if you have the line. Then write the best one for you. You can also remove some text, but I want to only add this one. The most important is to click Rename to save this new name. On your phone it may be not rename, but done, OK, check mark or something else. Click at this button and as you can see we just changed the name, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!